In this video, we are going to make patterned icebox cookies. The ingredients you need are gluten-free flour, warm butter, green tea powder, an egg, salt, and honey. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the honey, salt, and egg. Fold in the flour. Form into a dough. Mix half of the dough with the green tea powder. Refrigerate all the dough for 1 hour. Cut 2 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 3 inch pieces of the white dough. Cut a 1 inch by 1 inch by 3 inch piece of the white dough. Split it in half diagonally. Cut 2 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch by 3 inch pieces of the green dough. Arrange them with the 2 white square pieces in a checkerboard pattern and press them together. Cut a 1 inch by 1 inch by 3 inch piece of the green dough. Split it in half diagonally. Arrange them in a checkerboard pattern with the 2 white triangular pieces and press them together. Roll some of the green dough into a sheet. Cut the sheet to a width of 3 inches. Place 1 piece of dough on the sheet, roll it up, and cut off the extra dough from the sheet. Repeat with the white dough sheet and the other piece of dough. Roll 3 inch by 6 inch sheets of white dough and green dough. Cut the sheets into 1/4 inch wide strips. Make a 1 inch diameter, 3 inch length cylinder of white dough. Arrange strips of dough alternating between white and green. Roll with a rolling pin. Place the cylinder of dough on the sheet, roll it up, and cut off the extra sheet dough. Repeat with the green cylinder of dough. Refrigerate all dough for 30 minutes. Cut off the ends of the dough and cut into 1/4 inch thick slices. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 minutes.